Welcome to Urban Builder Guide, the channel where we explore the fascinating world of civil engineering, architecture, and the structures that shaped our civilization. Today we will travel back in time to discover early Christian architecture, a style that transformed the architectural world and influenced church design for centuries. Let's explore how architecture transitioned from Roman traditions to Christian identity. 1. Transition from Roman to Christian design. In the early centuries, Christians did not have their own architectural style. They often worshipped secretly in houses and underground catacombs because Christianity was not yet widely accepted in the Roman Empire. However, after Christianity was legalized in 313 AD by Emperor Constantine, everything changed. Architects began adapting Roman building forms for Christian worship. Instead of temples dedicated to many gods, buildings were redesigned for large congregational gatherings. Roman architecture provided many useful elements such as large interior halls, strong stone construction, arches and columns, symmetrical layouts. These elements became the foundation for early Christian church architecture. 2. Basilicas, the first Christian churches. Narrator. One of the most important architectural forms adopted by Christians was the basilica. Originally, a basilica in Roman times was a public building used for meetings, courts, and business. Christians chose basilicas instead of Roman temples because temples were designed mainly for rituals outside the building, while basilicas had large indoor spaces suitable for gatherings and prayers. A typical early Christian basilica included nave, the central hall where people gathered, side aisles, separated by rows of columns, apse, a semicircular space at the end of the building where the altar was placed, clerestory windows, high windows that allowed natural light inside. These features created a spacious and spiritual environment for worship. 3. Church planning concepts. Early Christian churches followed carefully planned layouts that reflected both function and symbolism. The most common plan was the longitudinal basilica plan, where the building stretched from the entrance to the altar. Key planning elements included atrium, an open courtyard at the entrance, narthex, an entrance hall for visitors and those not yet baptized, nave, the main prayer space, transept, a cross-shaped extension intersecting the nave, apse, the sacred space containing the altar. When viewed from above, many churches formed the shape of a cross, which became an important symbol in Christianity. This planning concept influenced church architecture for centuries. 4. Symbolism in architecture. Early Christian architecture was not only functional, it was deeply symbolic. Every element of the church carried spiritual meaning. Some important symbolic elements include light. High windows allowed sunlight to enter the church, symbolizing divine presence and hope. Orientation. Many churches were designed so that the altar faced east, representing the direction of sunrise and resurrection. The cross shape. The cross-shaped layout reminded believers of the crucifixion and sacrifice of Jesus Christ. Domes and ceilings. Domes and high ceilings symbolized the heavens and the connection between earth and God. These architectural symbols helped believers experience spirituality through the physical space. Conclusion. Early Christian architecture marked a significant transformation in architectural history. By adapting Roman building techniques and adding powerful religious symbolism, architects created a style that shaped church design across Europe and the world. From the basilica layout to symbolic spatial planning, these early structures became the foundation for later architectural styles such as Romanesque and Gothic architecture. Architecture is not just about buildings, it is about culture, belief, and history. Outro. If you enjoyed learning about early Christian architecture, make sure to like this video, subscribe to Urban Builder Guide, and explore more fascinating topics about civil engineering and architecture. See you in the next video. Urban Builder Guide, building knowledge, one structure at a time.